Lesson 56. All right. So whenever we add or subtract fractions, we do need a common denominator. So make sure you have your notes out. And then let's write down 2/3 plus 1/4. Okay, we need to rewrite both these fractions so they have a common denominator. So Gideon, what do 3 and 4 both go into? What's the smallest number? They both go into 12. So I need to rewrite 2/3 as something over 12. And I need to rewrite 1/4 as something over 12. And so, Katrina, what should I multiply this first fraction by to get 12 in the denominator? Yes, I need to multiply this by 4 over 4. Now, if you can do this in your head, that's fine. Otherwise, if you need to show it, okay? So this gives me 8 in the top. And then on this next fraction, I need to make this guy out of 12. Macy, what should I multiply this fraction by so I get 12 in the denominator?
3.
Okay, I'm going to multiply by 3 over 3. So 1 times 3 is 3. Then I add just the numerators, okay? Only the top. So 8 plus 3 is 11, and I keep my common denominator of 12. Sasha?
We learned this like in 4th and 3rd grade.
Good. I'm glad you're good at this. Okay. 1/3 minus 1/4. That's why we'll do this as quickly as we can. Miles, what is the common denominator?
12.
It is 12. So I need this one to be out of 12 minus this one to be out of 12. Alex, what should I multiply this first one by? Yeah, 4 over 4. That way I get 12 in the denominator. 4 times 1 is 4. All right, on the second fraction, Brooks, what should I multiply this guy by to get 12?
3.
Multiply by 3 over 3. So 1 times 3 is 3. Now, don't forget you're subtracting here. We only subtract the numerator. 4 minus 3 is 1, and we keep our common denominator of 12. All right, 2/10 minus 1/10. I'm going to do this without showing what I multiply by. You're allowed to do this if you want. All right, so Rose, what's the common denominator? It is 10. 2 and 10 both go into 10. So I'm going to put this guy over 10, and I'm going to put this guy over 10. So Victor, what do I have to multiply this by to get 10? Close. 2 times 2, though, would give me... Okay, what should I multiply this by then? Yes. 5 over 5. Can you do that in your head, you guys? Yes. So I'm going to multiply this 5 times 1 here, which gives me 5. This one just stays, okay? I already have a common denominator of 10. You can just put it on my desk. Thank you. Okay, now I'm going to just do the top. So, Eli, what do I get when I subtract? I get 4/10. Should I leave it like that, you guys? No. Henry, what do I get when I reduce?
2 over 5.
Yeah, divide those both by 2. So I get 2/5. All right. Let's compare. Before comparing, write each pair of fractions with common denominators, okay? So you need to rewrite these. So go do 2/3, put a big circle. We're going to fill in a less than, a greater than, or an equal to sign, and then a 1/2. All right, so Nusha, 2 and 3, what's the smallest thing 2 and 3 go into? So I need to rewrite each of these with a denominator of 6. Okay, Arlo, what should I multiply this one by? I got to multiply by 2 over 2, so I get 6. Can you do that in your head? If not, show it, okay? But I'm going to multiply by 2 over 2. That makes this 4, 6, which is equal to 2/3. All right, and Piper, what should I multiply this one by? Yep, so I'm going to multiply by 3 over 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Now I have to fill in a less than, a greater than, or an equal to. So I have 4/6, and I have 3/6. So 4/6 is, Benny, what? Greater than 3/6. All right, let's try one more. 6 and 4. Emmy, what do you think the smallest thing 6 and 4 goes into? Don't help her, guys. I'm calling one person. Shh. But just guess. 6 and 4.
24.
You're close. There's a smaller one, though. Gavin, what do you think?
12.
Yes, 12. Now, if you do 24, you'll still probably get the problem right. Okay? But 12 would be a little bit easier. And so, Caitlin, what do I multiply this first fraction by? Yep, 2 over 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. And then this fraction, Layla, what am I going to multiply by?
3.
Yep, 3 over 3. So I'm going to multiply this guy by 3. That'd be 9. So I have 8/12 and 9/12. So this would be less than 8/12 is less than 9/12.
Do we have to
All right.